How to buy Cybertrump token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money or some crypto with this referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 18 hours ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. Daily liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. This token, as you can see, trending number 3 right now in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address, open your funds wallet for that. Click here on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. Now click on your token, type how much you want to buy here. So as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here, and here click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage, as you can see from here, customer, because most of the issues, as you know, came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Cybertrump token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.